Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Ford 9N carburetor is probably one of the most vital components for your classic tractor, and today, we're diving deep into this essential piece of machinery. We'll explore its features, how it functions, common issues, and how to keep it running smoothly. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a weekend enthusiast, this guide will provide valuable insights into the heart of your Ford 9N. Number 5. Ford 8N9N2N Carburetor TSX33. This kit includes everything you need to get your Ford 2N, 8N, or 9N tractor running smoothly. It comes with a carburetor, gaskets, studs, nuts, and a fuel filter. This is a complete solution for your tractor's fuel system. This carburetor is specifically designed for Ford tractors with flathead engines. You can identify these tractors by the carburetor's location on the right side of the engine. It's a perfect fit for these classic machines. The mounting studs are 2 inches center to center. The throttle body throat diameter is 1/116 inches. The choke air horn outside diameter is 112 inches. The fuel inlet is 18 npt. The kit comes with the carburetor, gaskets, studs, nuts, and a fuel filter. Everything is included as shown in the first image. This ensures you have all the necessary components for installation. This carburetor will not fit overhead valve engines or Ferguson tractors. Make sure it is compatible with your tractor before purchase. It is designed for specific Ford tractor models. What we like. This carburetor comes with everything you need for a straightforward installation, including gaskets, studs, and a fuel filter. It is designed to fit 2N, 8N, and 9N tractors, making it a versatile choice. If you're looking for a hassle-free replacement and want to get your tractor running quickly, this is the one for you. What people say. No adjustments, started right up. This is the first one that actually worked right out of the box. I did make a couple of minor adjustments to the two mixture screws, but minor tweaks only. The carb hooked up well, and after minor adjustments, works exactly as it should. Number 4. Nakuuly 8N9510C carburetor for Ford tractor. This is a heavy-duty Marvel Shebler carburetor from Nakuuly. It's designed as a direct replacement for several Ford tractor models. It is a reliable solution for your tractor. This carburetor is compatible with Ford 9N, 8N, and 2N tractors from 1939 to 1952. It is designed for tractors with 120 cubic inch flathead engines. Make sure it fits your model. This carburetor replaces part numbers like 8N9510C, 9N9510A, and TSX33. While not an OEM part, it's a direct replacement. It's a great alternative. This carburetor helps achieve the best engine performance. It provides new power and torque for your tractor. You will be satisfied with it. The mounting studs are 5.7 centimeters apart, and the throttle body throat size is 2.7 centimeters. The choke air horn has an outer diameter of 3.9 centimeters and an inner diameter of 3.3 centimeters. Check these dimensions to ensure it fits. Nakuuly provides great customer support for this carburetor. If you have any problems with installation or use, they will solve it in time. They are always there for you. What we like. This carburetor is built for heavy-duty use, ensuring durability and reliable performance. It is designed to help your tractor achieve the best engine performance. If you value long-lasting quality and peace of mind, especially if you have a demanding workload, then this is the perfect choice. What people say. This carburetor worked right out of the box and runs the tractor like it should. Better idle, better governor response, easier starting. After installing it and getting the fuel line on it practically started instantly. Bolted right up, and all connections hooked right up like it was factory. Number 3. NENKUTEN carburetor for Ford 8N9N2N tractors. Are you looking to revitalize your Ford tractor? This premium carburetor is designed to help. It's a reliable and durable replacement, ensuring your tractor runs at its best. This 8N9510C carb is built for performance. It includes a control rod, and it's 100% tested before shipment. This ensures it's a perfect choice to replace your defective carb assembly. This carburetor fits various Ford tractor models. It is compatible with 1939 to 1942 Ford 9N tractors, 1947 to 1952 Ford 8N tractors, and 1942 to 1947 Ford 2N tractors. The package includes everything you need for installation. You'll receive the 8N9510C carburetor, a control rod, a sediment bowl kit, mounting gaskets, and screws and bolts. This carburetor is a direct replacement for multiple part numbers. These include 8N9510C, 9N9510A, 8N9510C, HD, and more. This makes it easy to find the right fit for your tractor. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you have any questions or issues with the carburetor, please contact us. We'll provide a satisfactory answer as soon as possible. What we like. This carburetor is made with premium quality materials, ensuring reliability and durability. It includes a control rod for optimal performance, and a sediment bowl kit. If you are looking for a comprehensive kit with all the necessary components for a smooth operation, this is the one for you. What people say. Fit perfect on 47 Ford 2N. Had to turn over for quite a while before it started. It starts right up first hit now though. Fits like OEM and doesn't cost nearly as much. It fit just like the old one and worked very good. Number 2. JDMSPEED 8N9510C HD carburetor replacement for Ford tractor. This is a heavy-duty carburetor replacement. It's designed to fit Ford 2N, 8N, and 9N tractors. This product ensures optimal performance for your tractor. This carburetor replaces multiple part numbers. It's a direct replacement for Marvel Schebler TSX33, TSX241A, TSX241B, and TSX241C. It also replaces Zenith and Ford OEM parts. This carburetor is specifically designed for Ford tractor models 2N, 8N, and 9N. It's compatible with 120 cubic inch flathead engines. This ensures a perfect fit and function. The package includes the carburetor itself, gaskets, screws, bolts, and a fuel inlet. Everything you need for a complete replacement is included. This makes installation straightforward. With all the necessary components included, installation is made easy. It's a reliable replacement part. Get your tractor running smoothly again with this carburetor. What we like. This heavy-duty carburetor is designed for long-lasting performance. It comes with all the necessary components for a complete replacement. If you are looking for a robust and reliable carburetor to handle tough tasks, it's a great option. What people say. I installed the new carb in about 10 minutes, the carburetor had new nuts, bolts, fuel line fittings and gasket. Once installed, I checked for fuel leaks prior to starting. All fit with no leaks. I started the engine and made a few adjustments and the problem is solved. I have mowed several acres of tall grass and weeds and the engine does not sputter and die. This is the correct carburetor for 9 and the others don't do as good. I put it on and it started up immediately. I didn't need to make any adjustments at all. Number 1. Carburetor for Ford Tractor 2N, 8 and 9N. Are you having trouble with your tractor's carburetor? This is a direct replacement for several part numbers. It's designed to get your Ford tractor running smoothly again. This carburetor fits various Ford tractor models. It's compatible with 9N, 8N, and 2N tractors from different years. Make sure it fits your specific model. This carburetor is built with high precision. Every component is fully tested and adjusted for optimal performance. It's a perfect choice to replace your defective carb assembly. The item comes exactly as shown in the picture. You'll receive everything you see. Please review the images carefully before purchasing. If you're unsure about the item's compatibility, please contact us. We're here to help you confirm if it's the right fit for your tractor. Don't hesitate to reach out. What we like. This carburetor is a trusted and reliable replacement, built with high precision for optimal performance. It is designed to directly replace your old or broken carb assembly. If you are looking for a dependable and precisely engineered carburetor, consider this one. What people say. Made well, bolted right on, started right up, had to make small adjustment on mixture screw, but runs great on my Ford 8N. I have never had an issue with these aftermarket carbs on working tractors that I use all the time and see regular hard use. Fits good and easy to tune. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.